high-tech tools, a cutting-edge work environment, and joining a team effort to solve problems and accomplish critical missions. Sound like fun? We think so. We're Delta TechOps, the men and women responsible for ensuring the safety and mechanical reliability of more than 3,000 flights on Delta Airlines every single day. If you're interested in how things work, especially really big, really fast things, then you might be just the right kind of person for our team at Delta. What made this break? What makes this go? And how do I keep it going? On time, every time. These are the questions we live for. And as an aviation maintenance technician, they're the challenges that make the job fun. Those 3,000 flights every day carry nearly 500,000 passengers, so Delta's aviation maintenance technicians, or AMTs, have a critical role in keeping millions of people safe each year. Even the smallest part can cause big problems, so TechOps employees have a tremendous responsibility to achieve 100% perfection. From last-minute repairs that enable a flight to depart on time, to preventative maintenance checks and major offline updates and overhauls, Delta mechanics do it all. TechOps is made up of line maintenance, base maintenance, engine maintenance, and component shops. Line maintenance is responsible for solving issues with aircraft that are in service, so Delta has experienced AMTs working at airports all across the country. When a problem is reported on an aircraft, technicians will make the needed repairs right at the gate. This might be a minor repair like fixing a seat or a lavatory, or major issues that involve adjustments to flight controls or the engines. It's one of the things our AMTs say they love most about the job. There's a new challenge and a new solution to find nearly every day. Line maintenance mechanics also work overnight, doing more extensive repairs and even travel to other cities when needed. More serious or lengthy repairs happen at TechOps base maintenance and in the engine and component shops. These workshops hold Delta's most cutting-edge tools and technology, and this massive facility in Atlanta is as big as 47 football fields. The AMTs working here can tear down every part of a plane to make repairs, overhaul engines, or replace entire systems. Every one of our nearly 1,000 Delta aircraft are pulled from service at regular intervals to undergo FAA-mandated inspections and preventative maintenance. But Delta's engineers and mechanics take it one step further with innovative predictive maintenance practices that have made us one of the most reliable airlines in history. In fact, dozens of other airlines and organizations also bring their planes to TechOps for servicing by our expert crews. So, with the latest tools and technology, awesome aircraft, and an epic job setting, what else is there to love about working as a Delta AMT? According to our employees, a lot. A real spirit of teamwork among the engineers and technicians makes TechOps a very rewarding place to work, and AMTs enjoy above-average pay and Delta flight benefits as well. Starting out as a new AMT can be challenging, but with plenty of room for advancement and opportunities at great airports all across the nation, most of our technicians find the job to be exciting and fulfilling. If it sounds like a good fit for you, come visit us online to learn more. We'd love to have you on our team.